3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
This tutorial explains how to fix the GeForce Experience error code 0x0003. Begin by navigating to the Start menu on your computer and searching for Device Manager. Open the Device Manager control panel and locate Display Adapters from the list. Expand this category to find your graphics card, likely an NVIDIA one. Right-click on it, choose Update Driver, and select Search Automatically for drivers to ensure your graphics card has the latest updates. Once updated, close the Device Manager. Next, return to the Start menu and search for Windows Defender. Open the Windows Defender Firewall and select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the left-hand menu. Click on Change Settings, then allow another app. Use the Browse option to navigate to your C drive. Find the NVIDIA folder under Program Files and locate the GeForce Experience.exe file. Add it, ensuring both private and public boxes are checked, then save and exit. Continue by opening the Start menu again and searching for Services. In the Services window, scroll to the NVIDIA-related processes, such as NVIDIA Display Container, NVIDIA Framework SDK Service, and NVIDIA Local System. For each, right-click to either restart or ensure the service is running. Confirm your changes and exit. If the problem persists, open the Start menu and search for Run. In the Run dialog box, type %localapp and hit Enter. Inside the NVIDIA Corporation folder, navigate to the GeForce Experience folder and locate the CF Cache folder. Delete this folder, ensuring GeForce is not running during this process. Finally, if the issue remains unresolved, search for Add or Remove Programs from the Start menu. Locate GeForce Experience in the list, click the three dots, and uninstall the program. Once uninstalled, visit NVIDIA's website or use a search engine to download the latest version of GeForce Experience. Download and run the installation file, following on-screen instructions to reinstall the application. After completing these steps, the GeForce error code 0x0003 should be resolved.